Hi everyone. We will start with question number 5, exercise 1.3. Question goes like this. Just listen to me. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So let us try to write down what are things that we know here. First of all, first term is 5. So you know we denote the first term with A. First term is denoted as A, so it is 5. And the last term is 45. Last term we denote by AN. So AN is equal to 45. Okay. Then we know the sum is 400. Sum of n terms is 400, which is Sn, which is denoted by Sn, which is equal to 400. So what are the things to be found out? One is the common difference and the number of terms. Always remember, the number of terms cannot be negative, cannot be 0, cannot be fraction, cannot be a decimal. It has to be a natural number. Whereas the difference can be any of these. So let us start with the Sn formula. See, one more thing is, you know the first term and last term. Shortcut method we will go first. We know Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus An, where n is number of terms, A is first term, An is last term. So Sn value, let us substitute Sn value 400, brackets. Don't forget, whenever you substitute, always use brackets. Okay. Next, n by 2. We don't know the n value. N remains n. A is the first term, which is 5, plus An. An is the last term, which is 45. So now we are here 400 divided by 2 comes to the other side, becomes multiplied by 2. N remains n. 5 plus 45. Very difficult part, right? Addition. 45 plus 5, 50. Right. Now 50 goes to the other side, becomes divided by 50. So we have 400 into 2 divided by 50 is equal to n. 0, 0 cancels. 5 1s are, 5 8s are, 8 2s are, 16. So good. We got n is equal to 16. Now you can either use Sn formula once more, the longer Sn formula, and find out D, or a simpler method is, since we know An, we know n, we know A, we can use An formula also to find out D. So those who want, just you can pause the video and take down this. I am continuing now. Okay. Now let us go to find out the D part. Now let us take An formula. An formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. It's easier compared to Sn. Now, what is An? An is 45 is equal to A. A is first term 5 plus n. We just got 16 minus 1 into D. Plus 5 comes to the other side, becomes minus. So 45 minus 5 is equal to 16 minus 1 is 15 into D. So 45 minus 5 is 40, which is equal to 15D. 15 comes to the other side, becomes divided by 15. So which is 40 divided by 15, which is equal to D. 5 3s are, 5 8s are. So it is a fraction 8 by 3. However, remember, D can be a fraction or a decimal or even a negative number. So no issues. So we have found out D. This was the answer. N is equal to 16 and difference is equal to 8 by 3. Thank you.